Alright, God, look at the bags under my eyes. I am in New Jersey. I've literally just raced here from the airport, and I'm about to go out and do my first seminar. There's a load of people out there waiting for me, which is absolutely awesome. So I am just back here having a quick feed with my nutrition solutions and drinking out of a plastic bottle. I hate drinking out of plastic bottles. White plastics anyway. Getting my hydrocharge in and gonna wake my ass up and knock this seminar out the park and educate these people in regards to the quality and the health sector with sports performance supplements, because unfortunately a lot of supplements focus on performance without any regard for people's health, which is terrible considering we are trying to improve our health. So that's what I'm here for, and hopefully people can go away with a little bit more knowledge to better feed themselves, their children, their family, their co-workers, and inspire others to do the same. So better get my head together and get this done. Alright, just finished my 2 seminars, and thankfully one of the attendees offered to bring me back to my hotel. So I've just got back now, put this top on, because I'm gonna go out and do cardio immediately. Like, I'm pretty tired, I'm pretty shattered, and I know if I sit down here too long, I'm gonna possibly get too comfortable, and obviously I'm lacking in sleep from all the travel. There's no doubt about it. But I gotta get my cardio in. You know, it's only 2 days left of this video trainer, today and tomorrow. So I gotta get it done. I gotta finish strong, man. So, you know, one thing for sure, you know, take this into consideration. If you have had a hard day, a tiring day, and you have the choice of going straight to the gym or home and then the gym, don't go home. Don't go back there, because the home is designed to relax. You could possibly procrastinate, and it's very easy for your brain to start justifying why you shouldn't do the cardio, why it doesn't matter to miss one session, you can make up for it tomorrow, etc., etc. Don't fall into that trap. So that's why the second that I got in, I just dumped my bag now, put this top on. The sun is shining outside. Well, it's starting to get dark now, but I want to get outside, get a little bit of fresh air before I come back into this gas chamber, which is an air-conditioned hotel that doesn't have any fresh air. So I'm going to get out and take some vitamin D from the natural sunlight and get a little bit of fresh air, wake up a little bit, get this cardio done, and then I can come back and collapse if need be. So I'm going to leave this camera here. You're going to have to trust that I've done it, because I don't want to be walking around and hitting my sprints with this big ass camera in my hand. Alright, so off I pop. Efficiency is key.